everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and also welcome new viewers. So I have seen all the new views from my last video and I'm so excited for y'all subscriptions. Thank you so much for helping my channel grow. So in honor of that, today we're going to be cleaning. We're also going to do some activities today, some very fun activities. So first I have a package I want to show you guys. So this is one of my new vacuum cleaners. It's very mini and it's small, but it's very mighty. So this vacuum cleaner was only $33. It has a very powerful suction. It can be used for your couches, your beds, your carpets, and even hardwood floors. So we're gonna test it out today. Be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel because that not only helps me, but that also helps my videos get reached out to more people. And I really appreciate it. That scared me. about to try this. They actually came out really nice, so let's give it a try and see if it's delicious. Okay, here's the first one. Nice and fluffy. Make sure nobody in the back seat. Y'all, we're about to go to the gas station. It is currently 10:18. Guys, I get so scared when I drive to places by myself. I'm so scared. But yeah. All right, let's. Where's the gummy lifesavers? Lifesavers. I know they have them. Bruh. Oh. Okay, this one is Reese's and Kit Kats. Who likes these? Because I used to eat these all the time, and I don't know if I want them. I want from Hershey's, and we're gonna go. Raining today. We're about to go into Aldi's real quick so we can get some water because we have officially ran out of water. I know I look like a nerd, but don't even like. Okay, but I got some Skittles, y'all. I got a king size Reese's. I got a king size Kit Kat, and I got a king size Hershey bar. But they was all buy one get one free, so that's why I got them. And it was only the king size that was buy one get one free, so that's why I got it. But this is gonna be my snacks tonight. I'm going to watch a movie. I also got a Sprite, so this is gonna be nice and crispy and delicious. Bon appetit. Delightful. Delicious. Okay, so pick up ticket. In the world, let me see. I guess I'll use this one. Make sure it's clean. Okay. Hi, Barbie. Bruh. In an effort to not get yucky, gross toilet water all over you, please do not flush anything other than toilet. They expect you to wash your hands with this much? Bruh. Like, are they serious? Oh, actually? Oh, wait, hold up. Y'all, this stuff is actually pretty good. Alright. Oh my gosh, I think the movie already started. Oh no, we're good. Oh my gosh. We're right in time.
Bruh. Theaters and celebrating 100. Your safety is important, so remember, keep and move far away. Fans can't get enough of America's #1 movie theater membership. 3 movies every week and get all.
You can still help us by sharing the available free tickets with your friends.